Hi, folks. The nucleus is right here. It's the big part of the cell right here. It's that baby right there, and that is the motor, not motor, but it's the brain of the cell. It controls the cell. It makes it operate. The nucleus is so important. Now, granted, there are some cells like algae that don't have a nucleus, but vast majority of cells have them. And let me just give you a good description. It's a specialized structure occurring in most cells except bacteria and blue-green algae, and separated from the rest of the cell by a double layer, the nuclear membrane. This membrane seems to be continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum, membranous network, of the cell and has pores, which probably permit the entrance of large molecules. The nucleus controls and regulates activities of the cell. The nucleus is the control center for the cell. Okay? And for the growth and metabolism, and carries the genes, structures that contain hereditary material, the hereditary information. Nuclei are small bodies often seen within the cell. The gel-like matrix in which the nuclear components are suspended is the nucleoplasm. So everything that is the cell is in that nucleus. The cell is the guide light, is the guide for the cell. It makes it run. Now, because the nucleus houses an organism genetic code, which determines the amino acid sequence of proteins critical for day-to-day function, it primarily serves as the information center of the cell. Information in DNA is transcribed or copied into a range of messenger ribonucleic acid, mRNA, messenger RNA, molecules, each of which encodes the information for one protein, in some instances more than one protein, such as in bacteria. The mRNA molecules are then transported through the nuclear envelope into the cytoplasm, where they are translated, serving as templates for the synthesis of specific proteins. For more information on these things, you have to see what a transcription is. A cell normally contains only one nucleus. Under some conditions, however, the nucleus divides, but the cytoplasm does not. This produces a multinucleate cell, also known as a syncytium, such as occurs in skeletal muscle fibers. Some cells, the human red blood cell, lose their nuclei upon maturation. So as you can see, it is a very, very important part of the cell, and it's something that maintains the nucleus is the information center of the cell and is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. In all eukaryotic organisms, it is separated from the cytoplasm by the nuclear envelope, and it houses the double-stranded, spiral-shaped deoxyribonucleic acid DNA molecules, which contain the genetic code. There you have it, folks. That is the nucleus. Thanks for watching.